Click on the link below to get price. The Namco Wiggins Dehumidifier, with its impressive capacity of 110 pints, stands out as a powerful solution for managing humidity in large spaces. Operating at 900 watts, this model is designed for efficiency and effectiveness, making it suitable for basements, garages, or any area prone to excess moisture. One of the first things you notice is its robust construction. The unit feels solid, and the design is intuitive, allowing for easy operation. The control panel features clear settings, enabling users to select their desired humidity levels and fan speeds with ease. The digital display is user-friendly, providing real-time humidity readings, which is a fantastic feature for those who want to monitor their environment closely. Performance-wise, the Wiggins Dehumidifier excels at quickly reducing humidity levels. In my experience, it significantly lowered humidity in a 1,500 square foot basement within hours. The noise level is manageable. While it's not entirely silent, it operates at a level that is easily drowned out by ambient sounds, making it a practical choice for indoor use. The 110-pint capacity means less frequent emptying of the water tank, which is a major plus. The tank itself is designed thoughtfully, with a large capacity that can hold a substantial amount of collected moisture before requiring a dump. For added convenience, it also has an option for continuous drainage, which is a lifesaver for larger spaces or extended use. The unit's portability is another highlight. It comes with sturdy wheels, allowing for easy movement from room to room or even between different floors. This feature makes it versatile and accommodating for various dehumidifying needs. In conclusion, the Namco Wiggins Dehumidifier model #P646 is a powerful, user-friendly, and efficient choice for anyone looking to combat excess humidity. With its large capacity and effective performance, it delivers excellent value for the investment, ensuring a healthier and more comfortable indoor environment.